It's a Cavan song. It seems we only know one Cavan song. It's got to be John Joe. So you can all join in, do whatever you want to do. That girl there was just dancing to start to train the Mayo team, I think, for football. So there should be great things coming out of that camp shortly. Anyway, we go ahead with John Joe.
Oh, very good.